Ayun, gumana na yung screen mirror. And share ko lang din yung winning ad po namin. Nakita mo yung mouse. Tada! Sa iPad ko pala to. Yan, ito yung winning ad namin. Actually, dalawa pa. Pero share ko muna itong ads namin na niran ko last year, New Year, hindi yung ngayong taon, which is till now, winning ad pa din siya. And kahapon, we have 50 queries on that. And we only spend for only 1,000 plus. So, kahapon to, yung January 1. Yay! Screen mirror! So, since start, yung na-spend namin, ito maximum ko, is 868,164 pesos. So, tapos, ito yung naging sales nila per month. So, dito kami nag-start last year sa December mag-ads. Yung previous, ito yung kita nila per month since nag-open din. Since mag-open nila, I mean. And, ito na. So, whole 2024, yun. Ito yung naging sales namin. So, if pag i-ano mo yan, is sumahin. Umabot na kami ng 7,640,976 pesos.
Wow!
It's not bad naman. Kasi, yung ad spend namin, is just 868,000. Diba? So, yun.